Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must start by confirming you have admin or editor access. This avoids permission dead ends. Once confirmed, log into Facebook on a desktop and clear cache, or open an incognito window to rule out local browser issues. Make sure to copy any exact error text and note when the problem began so you can compare behavior after each change. This first sweep saves time by eliminating access or browser causes before you change page settings or contact support. Next, systematically inspect the page itself. Open page roles to validate each account and remove duplicates or stale admins. Then, check publishing tools and page settings for visibility, age, or country restrictions that could hide content. Adjust to public if needed. If the page is connected to Business Manager, ensure assets are properly assigned. Also audit integrations and recent permission changes. A revoked app or token often breaks posting or insights. Make one change at a time and retest. To finish, test core functions. Create a simple post, view insights, and check ads or scheduled posts to confirm normal behavior. If an integration caused the issue, reauthorize it or remove and re-add the app to refresh tokens. Keep a log of tests and results. If the problem persists, capture screenshots, error text, and timestamps, then submit a Facebook support request with that evidence. One key tip: try another admin account to reproduce the issue. If it works, the problem is likely role-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.